Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and this is how to enlarge the image in the Messenger. So to do this, you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now here, you could just simply go for the chat that you want the image to enlarge, and now select the image that you prefer. And now from here, you could just simply tap again the image to get on the full screen. And now to enlarge this, you could just simply zoom it in order for you to zoom or enlarge the image. And now you could use your finger to pinch to zoom in. Or if you are going to send it, you could just simply tap on the photo down below. Send the photo. As you can see, if you want to enlarge this, you can just simply tap on the photo, select edit, and from here, you will have an option crop on the right side of the screen. And of course, you can enlarge this by cropping it in. But guys, if you want it to be fixed, first just simply save the image and now go ahead and go to your photo. Now in your gallery, select the photo and select the pencil icon down below. And now you can just simply zoom it in to enlarge it and select save. And now you can just simply go back to the messenger and you can send it to your friend again. And you will have a zoom in picture over here. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.